Hey everybody, I do have a haul for you today as well as what I've been up to. Oh, I've been kind of busy organizing some things and there's a lot to go through, but what I've been doing is actually organizing the new paper that I've purchased from the stamp market. They did a release where they had new ink colors. Well, they also had new paper. So what I've been doing is punching out these Stampin' Up! Little index thingies. Okay, so I have this punch that I have had for a while. I got this at a yard sale for $1.50, and I score it down the middle because you can see how it is, right? Score it down the middle with my scoreboard, and then I fold it in half, and then I have taken a punch from the actual paper itself, and then I use this really sticky tape. My actual tape runner doesn't work. It will make these come open. I store my paper in the job ticket holders, like I guess a Popular Crafter actually promoted. It works for me for now, especially since I have so many different papers from different companies. So I have all of the Stamp Market ones now labeled correctly. So this is the new this is Party Pink from the Stamp Market, Fresh Pink, bubblegum, and blush. These are older colors, but you can see this is what I've been doing. And I actually keep them in a one of these IKEA, this is metal, 8.5 by 11 paper or magazine holders, and they're on a bookshelf from IKEA. So they're actually labeled on both sides. So if you see it from one direction versus the other, these are all the warm colors. And then I have all of the cooler colors in a separate one. But that's what I've been up to. I just kind of wanted to show you that in case somebody needs an idea of how to store their 8.5 by 11. I don't store my 12 by 12 like this because it's actually out in my studio. And those are stored in a different manner. But I always store them by rainbow color. Oh yeah, and I did do a color swatch of each of the new colors. I keep this card with my inks. Excuse me. But this card, it has all of their colors, the Stamp Market colors, including the new ones. And they're not really stamped correctly. Like this one, I should have been over here. I don't know what I was thinking. The yellow, even though it is a warm color, I should have put it over here because it kind of goes with the citrine. And she did post a couple of photos as to where the new colors fit into her color scheme, but you can kind of see how they work. Like you've got Fresh Pink and Party Pink, those are existing colors, and then there's a third that can go along within the range to work with the if you're going to do stamp layering or something like that. So these are all the colors now. You can kind of see, hopefully I don't have too much sorry shadow on it, but you can see what the colors are like. Her colors are typically very vibrant. Well, I will say these new colors are all very vibrant. The ones she had before were more muted and pastels, so she's kind of upped it in that sense of the word where you have more vibrant colors. So good ones to have. And also the ink pads are foam ink pads, just like the new Stampin' Up! Ones are. These are foam. They're not linen. So pretty juicy. And I still have them all in my drawer right to my right on my desk, where I can see through the top and pick out the one I want. So on to the haul. I ordered from Mama Elephant, and you don't need to see my receipt. This is a lot of the older sets and some newer sets that I wanted to order. Again, with my obsession of the takeout box die. So just imagine some of these on a takeout box because they're super cute. So this one isn't one of those, but Wish Upon a Star, I've seen this one used many times, and the images on it are so cute. So I wanted to get that stamp. This one also, this penguin one, it's the Penguin Agenda. Look how cute the penguins are. So cute. I try not to buy such cutesy stuff all the time, but I can't help it sometimes. This one is the little chickie agenda. I just thought it was adorable. Okay, sorry. And then, okay, so here we get into the takeout box one. So Mama Elephant has lots of Asian inspired stamps, and specifically Chinese inspired. So they do a lot of like for the Lunar New Year as opposed to the calendar New Year. And I actually, for those of you who don't know, I have Filipino ancestry, but my mother was half Chinese. She doesn't have a whole real connection to her Chinese heritage because her father passed away when she was very young. So I never got to meet my grandfather on my mother's side. But we do have Chinese heritage, and yeah. So anyway, this one is the Lion Dance. This is an older set, but again, I thought this would be great for some takeout box projects. This one is Lunar Animals. So if you've ever eaten at a Chinese restaurant, sometimes they have the placemats that have the different explanations of what each animal means, and it's based on your birth year. So you look up your birth year and then you can figure out which animal you are. So yeah, really, really cute. This one is Lunar Sayings. So lots of different sentiments related to the Lunar New Year, but they also have the translations at the bottom of the stamp. So like this says peace year after year in Chinese. I don't read Chinese either, and you know, I was born here, so my parents don't have any connection. My mother didn't have any connection to her Chinese roots, but they didn't speak Chinese at home anyway. They spoke a different language, other than English, of course. So, Lunar Sayings, and then this one is Lunar Extras. So there's a couple more different stamps here, and they have the translation off to the side. It's really tiny. Just ignore that. That's my phone. Congratulations and wishing you prosperity. Happy New Year. Those are the ones that I can read there. And then this one's actually Korean, because if you notice, the characters look different. In Korean, this is many New Year blessings. So that's kind of a bonus in there. But you got the lucky cat too as well. And then this one is the fortune envelope, and usually they have little red envelopes at the Lunar New Year that are handed out to friends and family with blessings in them. And then I purchased these two because, you know, I had to have them. One is the Slimline Film City, and I already have a film strip, but I wanted the actual city piece, so I got that. And then the other one is the Slim Window Dressing. So it has these different window dressings in here, and some flowers and butterflies. And then you get the grass too. So that would be nice for scene cards. And I think this is a window ledge. So there you go. That's what I got from Mama Elephant. That's my haul, and that's what I've been up to, and hopefully I'll get some more crafty time in the next couple of days and share with you some more projects. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.